Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to three companies' top important updates: ENTNT, NPCI and DE Shaw. Okay, so what is the ENTNT exam cutoff? What about the next round? NPCI cutoff, what is the next round? It is an interview. And DE Shaw exam from 16 March. This video is very important for 22, 23, 24 batch. Let's start the video. Before starting, I have one important suggestions for all of you. Apply for all opportunities as soon as possible, because I see lot of comments that where is apply link of this hirings. I am sharing the apply links on daily basis, as well as I am sharing the batch as well in the description, like which batch are eligible. We are sharing the direct hiring opportunities for all of you. This is totally free. Okay, they like companies are even not taking any charges from candidates for scheduling the online test and interview. So I suggest all of you to apply for opportunities on daily basis and check all opportunities. Okay, let's start the video. I already shared the ENTNT hiring update with all of you. Okay, so this is one of the most important point that I have to mention, that in the ENTNT hiring there is a time of 40 minutes and questions is 56. Okay, so first process is application is CV. Your candidates are invited to submit their application along with their CV. After that, online assessment will be there. And in third important thing is online interview. Shortlisted candidate will have interview with the programming team, which may include a discussion on the online assessment questions on technical skills. One of the most important point that I have to mention, that like what about the cutoff? Okay, so they even not disclosed the cutoff for the opportunity. Okay, but there are some of the conditions that is like expected. Like suppose if you clear like if you solve the 45 plus questions and all the 45 plus questions are correct, like you solve the 56 question, okay, and 45 plus question is correct, so your selection chances is very high. Okay, so this is some of the case. Okay, in the case they will like mention, like if if your questions is 50 plus correct, so you will have good chances. So ये ऐसे डिफरेंट केसेस हो सकते हैं, टोटली डिपेंड्स ऑन देम. हो सकता है उन्हें 56 में से 40 क्वेश्चंस अगर आपने सही कर दिए हो, ओके, सो भी वो आपको यहाँ पर सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. आई सी लॉट ऑफ कमेंट्स ऑन आर टेलीग्राम ग्रुप दैट आई गॉट 85%, आई गॉट 65%, आई गॉट 70%. सो बेसिकली इट विल टोटली डिपेंड्स ऑन देयर like overall cutoff. Okay, they did not disclosed any cutoff related to this examination. अगर 45 प्लस क्वेश्चन सही हैं तो आपके चांसेस बढ़ जाते हैं, और 50 प्लस सही है तो वेरी वेरी हाई चांसेस हैं. ओके, अब ये हो सकता है कि आपके 40 क्वेश्चंस भी करेक्ट हों तो भी आपको चांसेस मिल सकता है. दिस आर सम केसेस. ओके, that is one of the most important point. These are some cases that is related to that. Okay, after that there is a online interview with the team. Expected timing is 30 minutes. In circumstances, an additional technical assessment such as take home coding project may be requested. So basically यहाँ पर एक assignment भी हो सकता है that is related to some project. You have to make project and after that there is a interview. Okay, so if you not received the examination mail yet, I suggest you to wait, because I think the examination in the form of phases, and I suggest all of you to please apply for all opportunities on daily basis. Second important update is from NPCI. NPCI recently conducted the coding examination. Okay, so many candidates mentioned that there are two coding questions are there. Okay, totally depends on them whether they will consider 1.5 questions or 2 coding question. अगर आपने 2 coding question solve करे सारे test cases के साथ, so chances is very high that you will get next mail that is related to interview, because according to their hiring process they only mention that code and aptitude test, after that technical plus HR interview, but the coding round is additional round by them. Okay, so basically after clearing the coding exam, if you solve the 2 coding question with all test cases, okay, so chances is very high that you will receive the next mail that is a interview. Most probably अब next interview होना चाहिए. There are all some cases like 1.5 coding question भी अगर आपने solve कर लिया, एक पूरा solve कर लिया, और जो next वाला question है वो आपने half solve कर लिया, half ठीक है, या टेस्ट केसेस सारे रन हो गए, बस हाफ सॉल्व हुआ, हाफ टेस्ट केसेस रन हुए तो भी आ सकता है चांसेस, टोटली डिपेंड्स ऑन एनपीसीआई टीम। ओके, नेक्स्ट अपडेट इज रिलेटेड टू डीई शो। ठीक है, सो सबसे पहले एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, द ENTNT हायरिंग इज फॉर 22, 23 and 24 batch. Okay, and basically NPCI is hiring for 22 and 23 batch. Okay, उन्होंने देखो यहाँ पे मेंशन करा है, and DE Shaw is hiring for 24 batch currently. Candidates are receiving this type of mail. Thank you for applying from DE Shaw. As next step, you are required to register for associate by 10th March. इसमें जरूर से रजिस्टर कीजिएगा, registration link is here. Okay, they mention that once you complete the registration, we will review your application and reach out by 14th March. Online test is scheduled on 16th March for the shortlisted candidate. We will share the test timing shortly. Okay, this is related to that. So if you not applied for the DE Show hiring, check that it is biggest opportunity for 24 batch. I already shared video with all of you in our previous video. I hope this video is useful for everyone. Best wishes for all examinations. Thanks for watching the video.